Okay guys, welcome to our channel. Okay, today we are going to be a DIY home photo shoot for my girls. I look a little crazy. I don't think I'm going to get in the photos, but I wanted to take some photos of them so we can put some up in our house. I pretty much have everything it takes to do a professional shoot. I have like these soft lights. I have my ring light. I have 2 soft lights, but I don't have them with me right now. I just have one in here and it makes the lighting really good. I'm also using the natural lighting from their window up here so that we can get a lot of lighting because we are upstairs. And I just did some props. So this is pretty much their clothes basket. I put a wreath inside and make it look like it has plants in it. And then I have this board that I've been having for a while and I put some words. It says My Sister's Keeper, established 2020. And then we have our cute babies. We have a stool, our bathroom stool that we use for our shower and for just sitting on in the bathroom. They falling all over the place. But pretty much that's all we're going to be doing today. Stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys the behind the scenes, how it looks. So please stay tuned for that. You guys, if you want to see how I do a DIY, the pictures are going to come out so phenomenal. I cannot wait to show you guys how I do it. I might show you guys how I edit. If you would like to know how I edit, please ask questions in the comment box below. You guys say thank you.
Thank you.
What you want to say? What else you want to say?
Gotta say that.
Say subscribe.
Good.
Like. Oh.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. This is going to the channel. It's over.
Yeah. Are you ready to take some pictures?
Yeah.
Are you ready to take pictures? Okay.
Alright you guys, so this is pretty much how everything was set up with my ring light and all of that. I got most of this stuff from Amazon besides the photo frame, the prop. I don't know where I got that from. I think TJ Maxx, and the basket I got that from Amazon as well. So I'll be sure to link those products down below. But you guys, you can do this at home yourself. It's so easy, just finding things around your house that complement the shoot. And that was it to make it beautiful. So guys, please stay tuned for the final results.
These are going to be their outfits. They're going to be matching. So yeah.
It's going to be messy.
Are you going to practice your posing? Okay, how are you going to pose?
Before we started our shoot, I did let the kids go ahead and practice and take some practice photos just so I can adjust the lighting and make sure that everything was perfect and get some ideas of how I wanted them to pose. Now the little baby, she is 9 months old, so she's not going to do much posing, but we do play with her and make funny faces to make her smile. And also Arya is great at taking photos. She usually smiles. All I do is say pretty girl smile, or I tell her she looks like Elsa and that usually works for her. The baby, she's all over the place. She can walk now, and she also crawls sometimes, but she is literally into everything. I have to run and chase after her. I didn't film the actual photo shoot because I was trying to capture all the photos, which next time, if you guys are interested, I will provide you with that content. She was so attracted to the board that she was pulling off letters left to right, so I was trying to make sure that she wouldn't touch it. And so Arya was a big help during this process. She made it so easy, and I gave her a sucker afterwards because she was doing so good. So you guys, yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how it all came out. It came out very beautiful. I'm so proud of my editing skills. Like, I think I do a pretty good job at editing, and everything that you see here was basically from my house. And also I took these photos on my iPhone. You guys, they're so beautiful. Look at these little beautiful faces. So if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.